Watch my country burn while leaders turn away. 50 years of freedom, but we're still slaves today. Papua New Guinea, what the fuck happened to us? Our dreams of unity turned to blood and dust. Started the year with blood on our streets. Civilians killing cops, ain't no fucking peace. Power cuts leave us sitting in the dark while big men fly first class, living like a lark. Teachers waiting for their pay, kids can't learn shit. Water's running dry, but PM don't care a bit. NRL dream getting all the hype and fame, while my people suffer through this twisted game. ICAC silent, ombudsman's gone mute. DDs run their offices far from the truth. Every day I see the system getting worse. Independence looking like a fucking curse.
Where we going? Wanem Nau. 50 years walking blind. Why we fighting?
Belong Wanem. Brother against brother, losing our damn minds. Are we free?
Free, true. In our own motherland. Can't you see?
Looking good.
We're just puppets in their hands.
Parliament's a circus full of empty words. Leaders counting money while we eat bird. Fuel crisis got us stuck, can't even move. These corrupt bastards got nothing left to prove. Our forefathers had a vision pure and clean. Now we're just yes men saying yes boss like machines. Selling out our future, piece by fucking piece. Trading sovereignty for their golden fleece.
Where we going? Wanem Nau. 50 years walking blind. Why we fighting?
Belong Wanem.
Brother against brother, losing our damn minds. Are we free?
Free, true.
In our own motherland. Can't you see?
Looking good.
We're just puppets in their hands.
You blow highlands, that tribal shit. Me blow Nambies, why we splitting it? Shipik versus Toli, what's this bullshit for? Size 28 or you belong, Oro closing every door. We're all Papua New Guineans, can't you see? United we should stand, that's how it should be. 50 years of freedom turned to shame and rage. Time to break these chains and turn a better page.
Where we going? Wanem Nau. 50 years walking blind. Why we fighting?
Belong Wanem. Brother against brother, losing our damn minds. Are we free? Free, true.
In our own motherland. Can't you see?
Looking good.
We're just puppets in their hands.
Papua New Guinea, wake the fuck up now. Before another 50 years just brings us down.